holidays are hectic, but if your website isn't working while you're working, or even while you're relaxing, you're missing out on your biggest season for leads. This time of year, people aren't just shopping for gifts, they're looking for services, bookings, last-minute help, and trusted businesses. And they're looking online. If your website isn't built to capture that attention with clear calls to action and instant trust signals, they'll move on to the next. Let's break it down. Clear CTAs. Your visitors are in a rush. Tell them exactly what to do. Call now, book your holiday service, get a free quote. Don't make them guess. Make it one click to get started. Credibility. The holidays are emotional. People want reliability. They look for reviews, trust badges, local signals, photos of your real team, real work, real results. Build trust before they even pick up the phone. Preparedness pays. If you're out decorating, taking time off, or buried in holiday rush work, your website needs to do the heavy lifting for you. Answer questions, capture inquiries, take bookings even after hours. While your competitors are sleeping on this, you'll be turning clicks into customers. Don't let your busiest season slip away because your website isn't ready. Whether you're a roofer, cleaner, contractor, or local service pro, your website can be your silent closer this holiday season, if you let it. Let us optimize your website for trust, traffic, and holiday-ready conversions. Visit engageyourbiz.com and make your site work overtime for you. Engage Your Business, our expertise.